Hey guys, it's Monica here from Fairy Tale Journeys by Monica. I am so excited to show you the tropical beachfront walkout oversized concierge family suite, or category WBS, located here at Beaches Negril, Jamaica. I'm so excited to take you on a full tour of this beautiful family-friendly room. Let's go check it out.
Where will we go today?
So when you first walk in, you are wowed by this beautiful room. So this is a trundle bed, which pulls out underneath into another bed. So 2 kids or 2 adults could sleep on that bed. And then this chair is a single pull out, so another child or adult could sleep on this. And then this is a king size bed. And then as you walk this way, you can see the safe, which is pretty good size safe. It holds probably a laptop in there. You have an iron, you have a hair dryer, ironing board is also in the closet. Oh, and they give you, how cute is this? The robes, a kid's robe and an adult's robe. I love that. And then there is the ironing board, as well as plentiful amount of hangers and extra pillows. And then also in the closet is like a linen closet, which you could also put some of your swim things or other items right there, which are easily accessible. And then the sink is a double vanity sink, which gives you plenty of room. And then what I really love as a mom of young kids is underneath they have step stools for the kiddos, so they can easily step up to wash their hands, which is perfect for them. The bathroom, the second part of the bathroom has the bathtub shower combo and the toilet. There's a door in between those 2 sections of this huge bathroom. In this room, there are plenty of drawers for storage. So there's lots of drawers in here, which is really helpful. And then the mini bar. This is a concierge level room, so it does give you the stocked fridge. And the one difference between Beaches and Sandals is that they don't display the alcohol like they do in Sandals until you tell them it's okay. Another thing that makes this room unique is the walkout category. So you're able to walk right out and you can actually enter and exit your room from this door via room key. So it does keep you secure and safe and locked.
Overall, I would say that this room category is gorgeous and in a great location. I absolutely love the walkout option too. I hope you enjoyed this stunning room at Beaches Negril. If you have any questions or need any advice, especially on room categories, post it in the comments below. In the meantime, if you're ready to start talking about planning your trip to Beaches Negril or any other Beaches or Sandals resort, I would love to help you with that. Please visit ftjtravelbymonica.com for a complimentary quote. Thank you so much for watching. Please click that thumbs up button to like this video. Also, please make sure you subscribe and click that notification bell to get more resort and room tours just like this one, and we will see you real soon.